станция Маяковская.
Ой, как тут прохладненько даже.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция Новочеркасская.
Hello guys, it's Gilda Natalie. Greetings from St. Petersburg. On my page I post vlogs and videos from my trips and life in Russia. Don't forget to subscribe, I try to post something new every week. I'm going out on Nevsky Prospekt and I'm immediately surrounded by the city's noise.
In St. Petersburg.
Typical red tourist bus. Spring is honestly the worst season for tourism. Everything is grey, wet and still pretty cold, at least in March and April. The best time to visit is late May or early June, when the white nights begin and the city feels alive. This year there seem to be more Asian tourists from China, Vietnam, Japan. The city itself looks rather dull, with ongoing road renovations, making things even messier. But since it's spring, at least there are flowers here and there. The entrance of the passage has some flowers and tulips blooming under the clock tower. I want to smell them. And another bookstore has bright yellow tulips in rubber boots. It looks kind of quirky, but hey, it's cheerful, sunny. You can feel a little bit warmer and sunnier. Let's go inside. Bookstores are popular places to meet up, browse and read in St. Petersburg. People here are big book lovers. Moreover, you can find trendy souvenirs and cute toys like this capybara. Capybara, capybara, capybara. And Asian stand with different animes and stuff. The nearby canals are still half frozen, glistening under the weak spring sun. Across the street stands the grand Kazan Cathedral, and at Nevsky you'll always spot street musicians and some wild local dancers. Here is one crazy dancer putting on a show.
А ты добавила этого, как она называется?
Now let's check out the old backyards, the famous kolodцы, which means wells. Famous kolodцы. In Russian, kolodец means well, a well. They are called that because the sky is barely visible from inside. Living here might feel a little gloomy, but hey, it's the city center, historic charm included.
Сейчас здесь потом.
Аттестации гарантировано трудоустройство, а также заработная плата от 90 тысяч рублей.
Сверху железо, вверх. Ну, как сказать,
Петербургский метрополитен приглашает на обучение профессии машинист мотовоза. Обучение длится.
сколько булавок.
Spring in Russia is quite an interesting time. People gift flowers, people fall in love, and many people catch cold. Viruses thrive in this season, and it's easy to end up with a sore throat, a chest cold, or the flu, which of course I was lucky enough to get. So now I'm off to the pharmacy. This pharmacy is actually very old and has a fascinating interior. Comfy benches, sculptures of some famous pharmacists. And shelves filled with mysterious bottles, test tubes, and thermometers. A place where history meets modern medicine. Ой, какие интересные темы.
Это музей с памяткой.
Now we are checking the menu at the random Russian cafe. Meals for 1-2 euros. Suspicious. I've never eaten here, but let's be real, at that price you are probably not getting a proper meal. I wouldn't recommend it unless you want to hate Russian food without ever trying a real Russian dish. Back to the Passage Gallery. This is a historic shopping arcade on Nevsky Prospekt. It oozes old-world elegance, built in the mid-19th century. It features a glass-roofed passageway lined with boutique shops and cafes. Most visitors just window shop or pass through to Italianska Street. On the ground floor you can eat very well at Spar. Everyone knows this supermarket and there is a nice cafe. Also really cheap. Food is fresh and cooked right in front of you. I usually have sushi and pizza, but you can also order Russian meals, barbecue and more. For 5-8 euros you can eat a lot. Oh, look, an old Zinger sewing machine. My grandma had the same one. At school we had manual training and I sewed an apron, a nightgown and a skirt. Nearby there is a cotton stand and every season they change this photo zone. I like taking pictures here. What a funny creepy dog and eerie doll staring at me. We're in a horror movie. In this shop you can find these creepy dolls and toys. And this place it's located right across from the Catholic Cathedral. All at Nevsky Prospekt.
О, пышки, 20 рублей.
Rose is not my favorite flower, but it sure knows how to make a breakup, a proposal, and my floor look dramatic. Oh, look, this rose petals, so cute. I've got these rose petals for a dramatic moment, and now I'm pretending to be a flower fairy.